Ever wondered why a heavy lump of flour and water suddenly transforms into fluffy golden bread? The answer isn't just cooking. It's pure science happening right in your kitchen. It all starts with flour. Inside flour are proteins called gluten and gliadin. When you add water and knead, they link to form gluten, a stretchy, elastic network. Think of gluten like a balloon. It traps whatever gas gets produced. Next comes yeast, a tiny living fungus. Yeast eats sugars in the flour and produces carbon dioxide gas and alcohol through fermentation. The alcohol mostly bakes away, but the gas gets trapped in gluten's net, and that's when the dough puffs up. At the same time, yeast creates the rich aroma and flavor of bread. No yeast, no rise, and no flavor. Now into the oven. The heat makes trapped gases expand, giving bread its final rise, called oven spring. Then the yeast dies, the gluten solidifies, and sugars on the crust caramelize in the Maillard reaction, creating that golden brown color and irresistible smell. So why does bread rise? Because gluten builds the structure, yeast creates gas and flavor, and heat locks it all in. 4 simple ingredients, 14,000 years of history, and every bite is science you can taste. If you love food explained through science, hit subscribe for more tasty knowledge.